West Hills Wolfpack. Mayor's Cup. Here, Wolfpack! Yes! Well done, Wolfpack! Oh.
Scott would be like,
Yes! Well done, Joe! It's a great shot, Joe!
Hit it, Ben. Yeah!
Good job, Ben! Oh, he's on. Come on, Joe, one more. Maybe he's feeling well. At the half, West Hills 3, Santana 1. We got a red card. Ben Gardner is here, so we have play-by-play now. Come on, Ben! You're in, Ben!
like when you went to your house.
Oh, my goodness.
Nice.
They almost got that one. Come on, Joe! Oh! One of their star players couldn't play.
Oh, hey!
Hey, we've already lost the keeper that way.
Yes. Less than that.
Yeah, go, 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 go!
Nice. Finish that. Come on, Wolfpack!
There's no prescription.
And guess who got the ball?
It's either or the other.
They think they do. There you go.
Oh!
Go.
Got time! Or just finish it.
So like, you don't really know, so I'm not going to write something mean.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh! Finish it! Somebody hit it. Oh! Oh wow, they almost scored right there. Wake up, Wolfpack! You need a goal! Yes! Yes!
Nice.
have that. You got time!
You got it! Josh went back.
That's it. Yeah, Wolfpack. West Hills Wolfpack 4. Santana Sultans 2.
So what's the record now?
Not sure. That means we win the Mayor's Cup, right?
Absolutely. Mayor's Cup
Mayor's Cup.
stays in West Hills.
That's right. Stays on the west side of town. Let's see. I think that makes us 2-1 and 2. Something like that. Maybe 3-1 and 2. We lost the game to El Cajon. They wiped us out.
After next week, it seems that the games on the schedule I have don't have times. Can you get an updated one? Can you send it to me?
Oh, you know what it is? It's because we're having tournaments, and those are to be assigned or something like that. Right. Yes. When we get our tournament schedule thing, I will send you.
Cool.
Double pack!
Everyone's special.
Josh is happy. He scored that goal to put it away, yeah.
Four different people got a goal.
Any last comments?
Go Wolfpack from the den. Peace out.
All right.